Here's the situation. That old MacBook Pro just isn't cutting it anymore. We've upgraded what we can upgrade. We've done literally everything possible to bring that thing up to 2021 spec, but the processor is just so old that it just doesn't open stuff like Media Encoder anymore, and I really need that stuff for school, and I have to be punctual with the assignments, and I don't want to lose grades, and it's not working. So with 2 months before the brand new MacBooks come out, we've purchased this. It is a refurbished 2020 model year MacBook Pro M1, and it's got the 8-core graphics in it, the 8-core GPU, so it's fast. It's really fast, and it also has 512 gigabytes of storage, which is awesome, and it's refurbished, so it's very similar in price to the base model, like the base model, brand new one, which is amazing, and this thing has been excellent. And I'm just gonna throw some stats at you real quick, because this is just sort of a preliminary sort of first impression, sort of like a meet and greet, but with the laptop. That old MacBook Pro, the one over there, is powered by an i5 processor, has 8 gigabytes of RAM, an SSD. It scores 1300 on Cinebench. This here has 8 gigabytes of RAM, the M1 chip, and 8-core graphics, and it scores 7300. Our iMac at home, for context, is a 27-inch 5K 2019 iMac. It has 40 gigabytes of RAM. I think it's got like the Vega 48 graphics card in it, and it has the i9 processor, and it scores around 9000. So there's only 2000 points difference between this fanless portable thing and a 5K basically decked to the nines iMac. So just as sort of a case study of this being the worst case scenario for M1 Macs, this thing's absolutely nuts. And I love it. I'm here for it. Okay, I know that was a lot of benchmarks and stats, but I just wanted to give some context as to how fast this thing is, because believe me, it is stupid. And if this is any indication for what the Macs are going to look like in 2 months from now, I have boarded the hype train. I'm completely ready to submit to the hype and just really just buy whatever Apple comes out with next, because this is ridiculous. Oh my God, this thing is keeping up with an i9 powered desktop. It has no fan. It has no fan. It's on battery power. This entire video, in fact, was created on this machine silently and on battery power. Again, all of the video is being put through this, so the A7C, the 6400, both in 4K in their highest bitrate possible. Color corrections being applied. What else? Audio is being run through there. Photoshop for the thumbnail. We're doing motion graphics and After Effects for all of like the titles and stuff that you're probably seeing, or any of the graphs that I end up doing. All on this thing. I love it, but there is a honeymoon period, and I'm going to see if the dongle and everything is going to sort of break kind of that honeymoon streak with me. We'll see. Let me know in the comments. I do my best to respond to every single one of you down below. It's kind of my thing, and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video, and just let me know what you want to see, because I would love to review this thing, so please give me an excuse to do so. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.